What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. There are so many doll releases right now. Bye-bye, doll budget. Thanks to my fabs and bestie, I'm a dolly girl on Instagram, I was able to pre-order the new Snow White dolls.
Delivery!
And they just arrived. Here is Disney Collector Snow White, made by Mattel. This is a pretty tall box, much taller than 12 inches. It's about 15 inches. The Snow White box is blue with an apple on the front, and we have a few flowers. On the back, it says, hunted by her jealous, wicked stepmother, Snow White joins forces with miners in a group of rebels and finds the strength and courage to overthrow the evil queen and become the leader of this once joyful, prosperous land. Now let's see the doll. Priced at $75, here is Snow White from the live-action movie. There is plastic on the front, keeping the doll protected. The inside of the box shows a nature scene with Snow White holding an apple. And we got a few birds. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Oh, it kinda looks like Snow White sleeping in the box, waiting for her prince to rescue her. Or in this case, her doll collector. Wake up, girl, we got stuff to do. Out of the box, this doll has short brown hair curled under with a center part. It has a lot of product in it. She wears a red ribbon headband with a bow. It has elastic behind the neck. She has brown eyes, lavender eyeshadow, a red lip color with a toothy smile. She has 2 beauty marks. It looks like this is a new face sculpt to resemble the actress. And I think her face is beautifully done. Okay, Mattel. Oh, and she's petite, with flat feet, in red shoes with brown painted soles and red ribbon. There's a design on the bottom of the shoe. She wears a gown inspired by the movie. It's blue at the top with a design on the fabric. There is red stitching around the cutouts on the sleeves. There is a red underlayer. The sleeves are long and lined with red on the inside of the cuff. There's a red cord tied into a bow with the ends hanging down. She is wearing protective plastic underneath. There's a white collar trimmed in red lacing across the front over another blue fabric that has lace at the top. There's a ribbon belt with a plastic buckle. The bottom of the dress is yellow. It's a large full skirt made with 3 layers of fabric. There's a yellow satin, a printed overlay, and a yellow sheer fabric. The dress is all one piece and velcros in the back. She finishes her look with a silver necklace. The chain of the necklace is a silver thread that ties behind the neck, and it has a silver heart charm made of plastic. Looks like this doll stands a little under 10.5 inches. She has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Oh, and we have plastic knee protectors. That totally looks like a bag. She comes with a long red cape with a hood. It's a nice flowy fabric. It ties with a ribbon in the front, and the hood can fit the doll. We also get a red apple with a gold painted stem. There's a finger bracket so the doll can hold it, and we get 2 blue birds that can fit on the doll's fingers. This doll comes with a certificate of authenticity and a doll stand. The doll stand has a large white base with a decoration around the bottom, and it does say Disney, if you can see that right there. I like that this doll has a realistic vibe with her sculpt and can easily stand next to a Barbie on the shelf. Since my shelf has a strict made-to-move body policy, I've been looking at some of our body donors to see if I can find a match. The green tie-dye looks pretty similar to her current body. If you want to make her curvy, then the new Barbie Basics Doll 5 might work. If you want petite, maybe Barbie Looks 22? I don't know. Let's give it a try. So put the kettle on. While waiting, here she is next to a Disney Store Snow White head that I customized into Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph. But I like seeing the different styles side by side. Ooh, and I found one still in her Disney Store look. Ooh, the water's ready. I place the doll in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and can be easily removed. Place it on the new body. The hands look pretty much like a perfect match. The body, it's a little off. We can probably try a doll with this Barbie look skin tone as well. But the petite's legs look like a pretty good match. I mean, seriously, it looks pretty close. I am all second guessing myself ever since the whole Aaliyah mismatch. But a petite made-to-move Barbie body can fit the dress and give her a little more articulation. Now here's the Evil Queen from Disney Collector. The box is similar to Snow White's, only it's a navy blue, and the apple has a green glow. On the back it says, "Overcome with jealousy, the evil queen hunts her stepdaughter, Snow White. Determined to keep the kind and intelligent princess from becoming the leader of this once joyful, prosperous land." Yo, what's up with that? This queen is too fabulous to be dealing with all that drama. The inside of the box gives us a picture of a chamber. You can see a mirror on the side. We get a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand. This one has a black base. The doll comes with protective plastic under her clothes. Out of the box, this doll wears a long cape. There's a glitter fabric on the sides and a zigzag pattern in the center. There's a collar attached to the top. It's lined on the other side with a white satin fabric. The other side of the cape is lined with hot pink fabric. There's a large green plastic jewel at the neck with 3 smaller jewels that move underneath. There is a hook on the side so the cape can be removed. There is a glittery purple-blue dress underneath with very long sleeves. There is a purple satin fabric on the edge. We can see the seams on the inside, but the fabric of the dress does continue all the way around and it velcros in the back. And we can see that this doll does have hair. She wears it covered with a shiny black material and wears a tall crown that looks like stained glass on her head. The crown arrives stitched in place, but I am seeing a little closure on the back of the head. I cut the strings so we can get a better look. The head covering does have a snap in the back. They knew some of us were going to remove it. It is a pretty snug fit, so be careful. She has dark brown hair that goes a little past the shoulders and a center part. Very dramatic eye makeup. I'm seeing purple and a little touch of silver under the brow. She has a deep red lip color and brown eyes. I think the sculpt looks so much like the actress. Wonder Woman, is that you? Who we've seen in doll form quite a few times. This doll has a Playline Wonder Woman head. I customized her into a Minnie Mouse fangirl 7 years ago in this video. And the body we used might be a decent match for Snow White, which was the blonde made-to-move soccer player. But we're getting distracted, so back to the queen. The glitter on her dress does come off onto my hands. Here she is next to another Mattel Evil Queen for a little comparison. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She has flat feet and comes wearing purple glitter shoes. This doll stands a little over 11 inches and looks like she might be a match for the Barbie Basics Model 2 with that new neck peg. But we still need warm water for her. While we wait, let's check out her other accessories. Like this, which I'm sure is for magic. It's silver, blue, and a reddish orange. And there's a hand grip so the doll can hold it. She has an apple with a bite taken out of it, and it looks like poison oozing down the side. And she has a pet vulture. The water's ready, so we can remove her head. It's almost there. Come on. There we go. Then add it to the Barbie Basics body, which looks good. I love the hair, I love the dress, I love the makeup, I love it all. And I can get the Evil Queen's dress back on. However, it is a snug fit. I went ahead and swapped Snow White to the blonde soccer player. And yeah, this one works. And now we can see the proportions on a classic body. But the dress is now a snug fit. But I think it still looks okay. At $75 each, I am hoping we get some Playline dolls with the same sculpts for head swaps. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Disney Collector's Snow White dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!